All right, y'all, so it is move-in day. I have my keys, so I'll show y'all the finished result of our place. It's unfurnished. We do have some appliances, but I'll give you updates as we get more stuff. So anywho, I'll go back out. So this is my front gate. I have an electric gate there that will open. There is the front door, and I think I'm gonna step back so y'all can actually see the finished product, so you can see what it's looking like. So this is it, y'all. They're already working on the house next door. So that's me, that's me, that's me. I need to take a picture, so let me step back again. Sorry, y'all, but we're gonna take a picture for my friends and family. All right, now we can go in. All right. So they've got the clean, we got my refrigerator, and we got my stove. So I'll walk you around here. This is my service entrance. Going to the backyard. You see my little plants there. And we'll go. And wait a minute, let's see. I'm supposed to be taking pictures. I'll have to come back and take the pictures. Here y'all go. I'll close the door. It's okay. So that's the upstairs. And there's the living room. There's the kitchen. So I don't have a stove. And I have a fridge like this. Needs to be trimmed down so my fridge can actually fit. So we'll do that. This is laundry room. And this is the bathroom here in the laundry room. That turned out really nice. That's that. You can see this laundry room is quite big. You can put a bed in here, like a twin bed. This is the service door that goes out to the service entry, to the backyard, or to the parking. And I got my appliances from Soriana. If y'all are curious about that. There's an accent wall. I'm going to put a table here. There'll be an L-shaped sofa here. And then I'll have a round table here. I'm going to put some bar stools here. And that's that. And I'm going to go upstairs. Oh no, I'll take you in the backyard first. It'll make more sense to go in the backyard. So here's my backyard. I have a nice ceiling fan there for a breeze. There's a waterfall that comes down into the pool. I'm gonna drain the pool soon, and then we'll just refill it later. These are the plants. I will end up adding like some banana trees or fan palms or something like that. And I'll put a couple chairs and table out here, and maybe a small lounger. We'll see. And I'll show you the bathroom here. This is the bathroom that goes out to the pool. Nice sink. This house came with a pressurizer, so my water pressure is great here. No issues. Now here's the door that goes out to the pool. You can see the pool's right there, so you can step literally from the pool up here into this room. I love the skylights. Can't believe it is done, y'all. So we started this process in April. They had only started the foundation in April, and it is now September 30th, and the house is complete. So here's a bedroom. There's a bathroom to this bedroom. I'm gonna have to install my own mirrors. They call that espejo here. But I don't mind doing that. I can have it exactly how I want it. So that's that. I'll turn the light off. Okay. Here's the bedroom. The closet has been outfitted. So this is how they do closets here. Like I said, this came with the house. This is my window here. This room comes with 2 windows, so it should get very good ventilation. I need to get a dehumidifier. The breeze is nice. They still have to clean, so that's why I haven't put anything out yet. So this is bedroom number 2, and I love the fact that the doors go all the way up to the ceiling here. I think that is a nice touch. Yeah, I think I'm gonna crack this window too, because this room is super hot. So I forgot to show y'all my bathroom. So, my bad. Here is the master bathroom. Have lights up there, window there. And a nice shower. Okay, so now we're done with the tour. All right, love y'all. Meet it. Bye.